Look at what we have here. This is a vintage ROVA Pro cordless telephone. I'm guessing from the very, very early 80s. Look at the size of that. This thing is comparable to many of the handheld CBs in the day. Now, I purchased this on eBay because I wanted to have a play with it, and I've actually got it to work. It transmits and receives somewhere on 27 megahertz, so technically I guess it is a CB. I'll show you the base station in a minute, but let's pull out the antenna. Now, not all of the antennas here. There's been a few sections snapped off, but as you can see there, nice long antenna. Now, to use the phone, you have to first turn it on. That's in standby mode now. That's on the air. If you want to actually make a call, you have to press this, but listen if you can hear it out the speaker, because it literally is just an analog radio as these things were in the day. But if you listen, you'll hear the static, and then it's gonna send a signal, wake up the base station, and you'll hear a dial tone. Right, and if we do dial a number, okay. Now this handset had no battery in it when I got it. So I ran it on a 9-volt for a bit, and then I actually got a battery pack from an old two-way radio that's not in use, so one of the Motorola Handycoms. It's a 7.4 volt pack, but I put it in here, and it does work. It runs the handset just fine. I've had a very long phone call on it, and it seems to charge okay. Now, the charging and power arrangements for this are a bit different. See, this is probably someone's doing, but there's a lead that goes to a transformer to power the base. And out the same plug, you have this switch going to this other transformer that's got a DC barrel jack, and you plug that in and charge the phone. Okay, now let's show you the base station. Hello. As you can see, there's nowhere to really dock the handset on this thing, but this is the base station. If I just turn the handset on, you can press this call button. So I guess that will locate the handset. And yeah, look at the antenna on that. Yeah, okay. It's got your typical wood grain. It could even be late 70s. I don't know if anyone's ever seen a ROVA Pro. Now, if I just initiate a call, listen out the base station, you'll hear that when I dial numbers on this, it clicks a relay in there. So we're going to start dialing. And there you go. So that's just a quick demonstration of the ROVA Pro cordless telephone from, I'm guessing, somewhere very, very early 80s. Thanks for looking.